Hello guys, namaste, Parev, Ndiepi, Sanbonani, Huyamor, bonjour. Here we have an Asus laptop, Asus. You press the power button, the machine is not turning on at all. The machine is not turning on at all. So we have to fix this step by step. Alright guys, I have a board. So let's see what went wrong. Why this machine is not turning on. Where's the charger? Okay, so we have to connect the charger here. Okay, nothing's getting hot. Okay, so what I need to do, I need to show you under the microscope. All right, here we are. Let me show you everything. So here, this is a charging port. Here you will have the 19 volts. Let me check on the meter. Let's see if I do have the 19 volts right there where I was pointing. Yeah, bisashama video. Okay, let's see. I do have the 19 volts. 16 volt. Why 16 volts? Okay, let me check my multimeter. It's showing me 16 volts. Copy. Ngibuye message yazi. Ungisakhumbulile. I saw a message. No, bekhuluma mhlambe icala zoba nini. Ku11 ku yes, no nine date yaqinisile. Ne date isho. Sakho. Oyina le date. Bathi number base bathini. Konze bani icon or bani something ngom established. Okay, guys, let's go ahead. Let's check one more time. I'm confused why I was getting 16 volts. Yeah, I'm getting 17 volts. I don't know why. Okay, simple. Let's consider. Let's move on. Check here. Yes, you would have the same voltage. 17 volts. Okay, this is a after this 19 volts, you will have the coils. The coil we have what the first MOSFET. We do have the 17 volts. I don't know why 17, where it should be 19, but anyway, let's continue. Let's check the output. On the output, we have 0. We have 0 volts. The current sensor as well, we have 0. Here on the output, we have 0 volts. Let's check the gates. 0 volts. Okay, let's check if this is shorted. You remove what? The charger. Remove it. Cable. Switch your multimeter. Continuity mode. Check for a short to ground. Let's check for a short because we have to be on the safe side. Okay, let's start here. Obvious, you won't get a short here. It's very, very rare. This can be shorted, but it's very, very rare. There's no short. Let's check the output of the second MOSFET where there's 0 volts. There's no short. Let's check the output of the second MOSFET. There's no short. Even the output of the first MOSFET, there is no short. Even on the output of the second MOSFET, this is the current sensor. There is no short. And you will have the 19 volts here. I was getting 0 volts and there is no short. So what can cause this? Let's check if the first MOSFET is shorted. Not shorted. Let's check the second MOSFET. Okay, this is shorted. That's why power doesn't pass through. Let's check if the gate is also shorted. Oh, the entire thing is gone, guys. It's dead. Even the gate as well, it's shorted with this. All right. We have to remove this. All right, now let's check for a short. Okay, because there's a short. Where is it? Where's this guy? Where's this little guy? This is a little guy. Shorted to ground. I mean, shorted, not to ground. It's just shorted. The gate was shorted there. Okay, let's check. Okay, this is shorted. Even the gate is shorted. So let's go ahead. Let's change this. We need to change this. But now I'm not sure whether this is the what do you call this? I'm not sure if this is an N-channel MOSFET or a P-channel MOSFET. Let's search for a number. All right, guys, I have a donor board right here. Let's see. So I believe since that MOSFET was there, was an N-channel MOSFET, first one. I believe even the second one plus second one is an N-channel MOSFET. I believe so. So I can see this. Okay, these are N-channel MOSFETs. Let's check one. All right, guys, let's see. Let's connect the charger. But now I'm confused why it was giving me 17 volts. Let's check this charger. Maybe there's something wrong. Charger, or there's something wrong with my multimeter. Put one prop there. There. Hi. Volts. Okay, I need to buy another meter. Tomorrow I'm gonna buy another multimeter. If there was a way of fixing this, I was gonna fix this. Because you can all see it's 40. Ah, it's 40. I wish you know how much I love this. Ah, I'm tired of buying this because okay, 19.8. I'm tired of buying this cheap multimeter. I'm gonna go for big boys now, eh? Okay, there's lights, it's turning on. Right, alright. Okay, this is working. Put back everything. Okay, guys, right, let's check. Let's press the power button. All right, there's no light. I believe the machine is charging. I mean, the battery is low. Okay, I saw a light. All right, it's charging. You can see an orange light. Now let's press the power button. Okay, there we go. The machine turning on.